Welcome to Sönmez Trafo, where reliability meets innovation. We have been at the forefront of developing advanced traction and railway transformers for nearly half a century. We offer the best solutions for railway systems. Our modern manufacturing facility is a hub of innovation, equipped with the latest technology to ensure the highest quality in every transformer we produce. Our dynamic and young team, rich with experience, is dedicated to delivering solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. Our experienced testing team rigorously examines each product to ensure it meets our stringent quality standards. Each traction transformer is meticulously manufactured using industry-leading technology and the latest manufacturing methods. At Sönmez Trafo, reliability is not just a goal, it's a guarantee. Our commitment to sustainability drives us to innovate continuously, reducing environmental impact while enhancing performance. With our sustainability principle, we constantly strive to reduce our carbon footprint. From Europe to Asia and throughout Turkey, our transformers are qualified by the rolling stock manufacturers who delivers trains to the world's most demanding rail networks. Unity in quality where Turkish innovation meets Swiss reliability. Sönmez Trafo, innovative, reliable, diversified, empowering the future of railway technology.